స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. Uh, can you able to see my screen? లేదు. Okay, done.
Yes, it's Mahesh.
Okay. Hi. Hi, everyone. So today we are gonna give this presentation is all about the project which we have taken. So the project name is the website on, and all our group members are in a group call, and we are gonna discuss everything detail about our project. So this is our client name, and our project is website on, and we have been supervised by a Dr. Bhagwan Das. So website application testing. So this is a website which we are gonna test all the details. So we normally help small businesses with their website is secured or not. So we are gonna check all the web application testing. Performance and security, we are gonna check these ones. And we also got requirement that these are all the key objectives. The main key objectives are malware checks, block checks, and server side health checks. So we used to apply filters before entering their URL. So once their URL is entered, we are going to check all these things by filtering malware. So it detects the security threats. If the website URL is not good, so it's going to tell us these website is not secured enough. So we are going to suggest to the clients, saying that this is not secured website, that we are going to do it better. So in detail, our team member Pawan is going to explain about the malware checks.
Thank you, Mahesh. This is Pavan, and I'm going to explain malware checks. Um, in this malware checks, we have to do three checks: virus scans, vulnerability analysis, heuristic detection. At first, virus scans thoroughly scan the web application for any known viruses or malware. And secondly, the vulnerability analysis identify potential security vulnerabilities that could be exploited by attackers. And the last one is heuristic detection. Employ advanced heuristics to detect and prevent unknown or emerging threats. These three are the checks we are going to do in malware checks. And the next slide is continued by Sujay. Thank you. Thank you, Pawan. I'm gonna tell you about the blacklist queries. There was a three in that. There was a domain lookup, historical monitoring, and reporting. Check if there is a web domain is on any block list or the spam lists. In the historical monitoring, track the websites and the reputation and blacklist status over the time. In the reporting, generate the detailed reports on the web applications and the blacklist status. It was continued by the Navin. Good evening, everybody. I'm gonna tell you about the server-side health assistance. So there are three parts of assistance: resource utilization, response time, and error monitoring. Coming to the resource utilization, analyze server CPU and the memory and the storage usage to identify the potential bottlenecks. And the response time, measure the web application response time to ensure optimal performance. And when it comes to the error monitoring, track our server side errors and assumptions to quickly address any issue. And the continuation will be done by Ashok. Yep. Thank you, Navin. In this part, we are going to look about the uptime monitoring. In the uptime monitoring, there are mainly three levels: availability checks, incident alerts, and reporting and analysis. Coming toward the availability checks, it was continually monitoring the web applications and availability and responsiveness. Coming toward the incident alerts, the main focus is about receive immediate notifications of any downtime or server disruptions. And last, it was a reporting and analysis. In this part, we are going to look about the generate comprehensive reports on the web applications, uptime and availability. And the conclusion was given by the Mahesh.
Thank you, everyone. So till now, the what we call the important checks has been explained by our team members. So this is another important, very important checks for every website is gonna check. Mainly, the Google is gonna give whether the website URL is secured or not. You know about the HTTP and HTTPS. So SSL certification normally do this one. The Google used to do these checks, and it is gonna let us know whether this is a secured website or not. If it is not secured, the Google is gonna block the website and they can't able to access this one. So before blocking by the Google, so we as a website on is a client, so we are gonna design the website where we are gonna show all these checks. So these are our key objectives. And another client requirement is, so these all four are the main crucial client requirements, which is comprehensive monitoring, actionable insight, real-time alerts, and seamless integration. In the website, we are gonna create a dashboard where we are gonna show all the analytics in a pie chart, graph chart, and everything in a user friendly dashboard where we keep monitoring their website once the website is approved, and the real time alerts. So if any threats or if any malware is detected, we are gonna show them this all malware. And these are all client requirement. Also, we as a developers, as a creating this website, we are going to check non-functional requirement as well as a functional requirement. In the non-functional requirement, we have, which we have been talking about from the starting, in the non-functional requirement, the main thing is when the a load increases or when the stress increases on one website, the website is gonna crash. So we have to make sure that this website should not crash by checking all these scale and high performance testing, as well as all these checks you can see here. And also after testing everything, we are gonna do the validation by testing each and every scenario which we have implemented with all the test cases, all the test scenarios. And this is all our website. So as we are in week 6, so till now we have performed, and we are working on this project. We are gonna perform more and come up with all the detailed information. And thank you everyone for joining this. So thank you so much.